Can I explain to you all the sources of water vapor in your home in just 30 seconds? Let's see, because if not, I'm going to be releasing some emotional moisture from my eyes. Everyday activities like breathing, cooking, showering, or even doing the laundry are all adding moisture into the air. Now you add in a damp basement or a damp crawl space, a little bit of firewood, and maybe you're remodeling and you're rebuilding some walls. Those construction materials will also add moisture into your home, which will cause your humidity levels to skyrocket. When that happens, you're going to be dealing with issues like condensation, mold, and even mildew growth. Well, shucks, since I don't have to cry about it, I'm going to tell you about it. And it is, obviously, controlling these sources of water vapor in your home will not only make your home healthier, but also more comfortable. Now, if you want to learn more about all things building science and how cool foam insulation is, check out the Learning Center on our website. I'm your building science brainiac, reminding you to bring a little science to every project.